Welcome to our English Fruit Challenge. Let's see if you can name these 5 fruits. Are you ready? Let's go. Can you guess this fruit? Great job. This is a pomegranate. Pomegranate. Let's see if you know this one. Can you guess? Correct. This is an apricot. Apricot. Guess this fruit. Well done. This is an avocado. Avocado. Next up. Can you guess this one? Nice. This is a strawberry. Strawberry. Congratulations. You're doing an amazing job improving your English. Let me know in the comments how many you answered correctly.